Okay, guys, so this is a quick one. If you are a photographer and you're looking for an extra way to make income, I've got something for you. And I just discovered this yesterday night. You can make money off Shutterstock. Like I said, I just discovered this yesterday. Yes, you can earn as little as $200 per month by posting of your pictures on Shutterstock. So this is how you are going to do it. Come with me. So what you want to do is to go to shutterstock.com, and when you go to Shutterstock, just open the website. What you want to do is to apply to be a contributor. So you just have to scroll down to the place where you have partner. So you click on the partner icon here and click on sell your content because that's what you want to do, and wait for the thing to load. Then after loading, you need to go to where you are going to be able to create your account. This is my own that's already been created, and I've uploaded like just one picture today. Yeah, I did that this morning. So this is my own account that has already been created. I'm going to make a second video that is going to show you like step by step how to create the account. This is my own account that has already been created, but the point is you really can make money off your pictures on Shutterstock. So if this is the first time you are coming across this my YouTube channel, kindly drop your subscription, drop a comment, hit post notification so that when I get to drop the part 2, you would be informed about it. So that is all as regards making money off Shutterstock as a photographer. So guys, this is all you need to know as regards making money off your pictures on Shutterstock. As more opportunities come by, I'm going to be sharing it with my photographer friends and my creative friends here. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Micah Gift. I'm a photographer and a filmmaker, and I want you to give me a follow here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification. So when next I get drop a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.